Hello everybody, so this right here video is specifically for those that have been requested on how I do my eyebrows. I usually don't show doing my eyebrows in a lot of my makeup tutorials because I typically just want to focus on just like the eye and the contouring and the blush and the highlighting aspect and the lips and everything, but I figured I would go ahead and give you all an updated thing on how I do my eyebrows. So yeah, okay. So basically it only consists, usually I always do my foundation, my primer, concealer, and foundation first, and then I do my eyebrows. I never really block out the area around them or anything like that. I just kind of like draw them on, fade them in, and that's it. For me, that's like the simplest thing that I typically do. Okay, so what I have is an angled brush, and then I have this right here, which I'm going to try to see if I can find like a different brand in this, but it is a dark brown and MAC and everything, so, and it's called Dip Down, D-I-P, D-I-P-D-O-W-N. So I'm going to be using this right here. I use this all the time in a lot of my tutorials. So I'm just going to get a little bit of that on my angled brush. And I'm first going to start off with the very tip, like the actual top end of my brow. And so I only have like these portions right here on my brow. Like that's all I have right there. And then I keep the rest of it trimmed. The reason why is because I want to give height to my brow area. So what I'll do is I'll start at the top right over here. And I'll just extend upwards. And then I give myself an arch and down, and then I start at the bottom, and then we have that right there design, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill it in. Okay, so basically what I did was I kind of just like faded it right here in the front just by doing like really fast, basically stripe pulls just all the way back. And then I just continue to kind of like darken right here to kind of make sure that the eyebrows look all one cohesive type color. And then I basically just repeat that process on the other side. Okay, and then that way we have two sets of brows. And now I'm going to do one more thing to blend them in. So I'm going to get kind of like a brush like this, and I'm just going to brush it just to blend that darker color into the front end of my brows. Now, if anybody are asking, the front end of my brows, that little part, yes, I do bleach my brows. I bleach them because I want to get that nice light to dark kind of like ombre effect, because I really like that, and I like a nice sharp bold eyebrow. For me, I just feel like it frames my face. So, but yeah, this right here is pretty much how I do my eyebrows. If you have any other questions or anything like that, please make sure to leave a comment down below and everything. And yeah, so I love you all. Please make sure to like, subscribe, check out Patreon, do what you gotta do. Anyways, I hope I answered some of your questions. Bye.
Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you know you got me.